Think back to a time when you spent hours straight sitting down. Maybe the last time you binge-watched an entire series at once, or a long road trip when the driver wouldn't pull over. Now remember what it felt like to stand up after that long period of time of not moving, that tight pull that was in the back of your hamstring, making it difficult to stand up all the way. Similarly, if you don't stretch your muscles often, it can cause tension, weakness, and inflexibility, increasing your risk of injury. Stretching is important not only for athletes, but for everyone, because we are actively using our muscles every day. Stretching frequently can help reduce the risk of injury by increasing your flexibility and strength in your muscles and reducing the wear and tear on joints. My name is Carissa Stahl, and as I have been an athlete for the past 8 years, I have trained with different coaches, physical therapists, and personal trainers on how to stretch properly. I'm going to teach you 5 less commonly known stretches that can be done at home and help reduce some tension in your muscles, increasing their flexibility. The only object you will need to perform these stretches is a band or towel. Before we get started, there are a few things to keep in mind. Remember not to stretch cold muscles. Going for a walk, light jog, or even doing some jumping jacks before stretching is important in ensuring you don't injure yourself and will help you get the most out of your stretching. While stretching, you want to push enough to feel a nice pull on your muscle, but don't push past what your muscles can handle, possibly hyperextending them. Some studies have shown that it is not only about how far you can push one side or the other, but stretching equally. Remember what you stretch on one side to do the same stretch on the other. Also, to maintain and improve flexibility, try to stretch for longer than just 30 seconds or a minute. And overall, you want to stretch 2 to 3 times per week. This first stretch requires a band or a towel, and I call it ankle rotations. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs fully extended in front of you. Then, bending your left knee, pull your left foot